Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to verify game files on FiveM. So guys, in order for you to verify your application, is first things first is download the FiveM, and then guys, from here you can search FiveM on the store, and once you have downloaded it, it will reappear here on the library side tab. As of now, I don't have FiveM guys, but I'm gonna show you an example. So let's say FiveM is Call of Duty. So guys, first thing that you will do is a right click on the application and I'll go to the properties. So guys, this process that I'm going to show you will work on every application that you have. So from here guys, another window will pop up, and from here just click installed files, and from here guys you can verify these game files if it is installed correctly. So from here guys you can just click here and it will automatically verify the game. And as you can see, this warning will pop up as well, and just click yes, and then from there guys it will automatically verify your files, and then from there guys Steam will work on it, and if there is any missing files it will automatically fix it. And there you go guys, that's how to verify games on the FiveM. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.